three of the plants we're going to go over this week are the California Blackberry, the Pacific Aster, and this here tufted hairgrass. So tufted hairgrass, its Latin name is Deschampsia cespitosa. It's a perennial grass in the Poaceae family. Within California, it is mostly in central and northern California, found in coastal prairies and mountain meadows. This one is Pacific Aster. Its Latin name is Symphyotrichum chilense. This is a perennial forb in the Asteraceae family. It grows mostly in the central coast region of California and is found in many habitat types, from scrub to grassland to wet, more riparian typed habitats. It is most notable for its beautiful bloom that tends to go a little later into the summer than many of our other native plants, and it completes its flowering cycle and goes into seed around October. So this is the California Blackberry, Rupus ursinus. This is a really great plant, super tasty fruit. Only the female plants bear fruit, which makes them dioecious. They are perennial vine-bearing bushes in the Rosaceae family. They grow across California in many different habitat types. Just one thing to note is the difference between the native and the non-native blackberry is that the non-native has much larger and far fewer thorns than the native. So these are tiny thorns, and there's a lot of them.